Today I'm going to read an Arabic book with English translation. The Arabic book is called Ana Adhab, which means I go. Ana Adhab ila al-madrasa. I go to school. Ana Adhab ila al-hadika. I go to the playground. Ana Adhab ila al-suq. I go to the supermarket. Ana Adhab ila al-maktaba. I go to the library. أنا أذهب إلى السرير. I go to bed. أنا أذهب إلى النوم. I go to sleep. النهاية, the end. Now, the keywords in the story are go, أذهب, school, المدرسة, playground, الحديقة, supermarket, السوق, library, المكتبة, bed, السرير, sleep, النوم.